Look at this wheel. That's pretty cool. What? Fit on there? I think so. Alright, I already dove once today. Coming back in the water today. Want to try out my new gloves from H2O Odyssey. These things look pretty sharp. Let's see how they hold up to all the hooks and all the line I grab. These are nice and comfortable, perfect for this kind of water right now. It's almost about 70-degree water, so it's just perfect for this temperature. Keeps my hands safe while I'm grabbing all that stuff. So let's try them out. Oh, Look at this wheel. That's pretty cool. What? Fit on there? I think so. There you go. There's a lot of lures on that thing. That is a really cool find. It's gonna look cool in my yard. Big bass in here. You fish at all? No? Like collecting these old bottles also. This one here says CL Hansen from Menominee, Michigan. I got a bunch of these at home. Found 2 today. You find old cold bottles, insulators. There's people that really, they spend a lot of money to collect these. Just got out of the river. You guys see me pull this thing out of here. Pretty cool. It's an old wagon wheel, I believe. All these spokes, they're falling apart, they're dwindling down, but you got lures all over this thing. A bunch of lures in here, little spoon down there. Wonder how old that is. Got some lures here today. A couple lures. Look at all the line I pull out of there. That is good thing I pulled that out. Definitely do not need that line in the water. Glad I got it out of there. Some more lures in there. Got this anchor. This is a unique anchor here. 25-pounder copper wire here. The stringer rope right here. And got some bottles. I got a couple CL Hansens. I forgot what that one is. And some broken glass, AT&T insulator. And this stuff here. Got this cool rock. It's flat on the bottom. It's got a little groove right here. Pretty neat. Awesome dive. I'm glad I came out for the 2nd time today. It's great. The water was awesome. Temperature's awesome. Out here is awesome. Visibility is super. What's your name? Michael. Michael and Cassie. Cassie? Cassie. Well, nice to meet you. And, got a lure, and you just subscribed to my channel. Thank you.